If you want to remove background from images or photos on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, then we can go to the gallery, then we can choose the photo from which we want to remove the background, and then we're gonna tap on this pen icon over here. Now we should be able to tap on these 4 circles that we have on the right side, and you want to choose the lasso option. Over here, now draw the shape around the subject that should remain, and now we should be able to tap on next, and there we go. Here we have our cutout subject. You can also apply this outline over here, so in case you want to use it, you can easily adjust its thickness, but besides that, we can also choose a color that should be used, and once you are done, just tap on done here at the bottom, and then we can save our edited photo. Now you can use the save button here, but it's going to replace the original photo. If you want to keep the original and save this one separately, then tap on these 3 dots in the upper right corner and choose to save copy. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.